Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Siglavik, Manitoba. This quiet little waterfront community sits along the western edge of Lake Winnipeg, just a few minutes south of Gimli. The name Siglavik means sailing bay in Icelandic, and it's a good name for this peaceful place where many homes and cottages sit along small canals that lead out to the big lake. Siglavik was designed with boaters in mind, with many properties having private docks right in their backyards. It's a favorite spot for people who love being close to the water, whether for sailing, fishing, or simply enjoying the fresh lake breeze. The area has strong Icelandic roots, just like nearby Gimli, where many settlers from Iceland made their new home in the late 1800s. Today, Siglavik is a quiet, friendly place mostly filled with cottages and year-round homes. The roads wind along the canals, and it's common to see boats tied up next to homes. It's a place where life moves a little slower, surrounded by the natural beauty of Manitoba's interlake region. Whether you're here for a short visit or to spend a summer by the water, Siglavik is a lovely hidden corner of lake country. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Siglavik, Manitoba.